Hey everyone, my name is Jennifer and this is my Petcha Kucha presentation of my design portfolio. First project I wanted to share with you is a campaign that I did for a science fiction movie coming out. I had to think of a name and a theme for my new movie, and then decide exactly what kind of vibe I wanted to give the poster. I dove into the world of zombies, which led to the design of this sinister looking poster. I also created newspaper advertisements, a billboard, and a keepsake popcorn bucket. So going from something completely ominous and sinister looking to creating something cute and juvenile, this campaign was for the WWF to raise awareness of the decreasing tiger population. Started out by sketching some tigers, choosing the sketch that I liked best, and then moving on to the computer to digitize it. The illustration and the cultural motifs were the basis for the design for the hang tag on the plush toy. The pin, bag, and mug also feature the illustration to aid in awareness. And speaking of awareness, this next campaign was created for Pantone to bring awareness to their consumers about the different colors that Pantone has to offer for printing. These calendars were created using the original photographs taken by me and transformed into a beautiful tritone image using a combination of only 3 Pantone colors. To be easily found, each of the color specs are listed on the side of the picture to show the consumer which colors were used during each image. Now, one thing you don't want to find easily is a snake. Snake ID is a concept informational app that uses pattern recognition to identify any snake species from a photo taken by the user. The app then tells the user if the species is poisonous and also provides additional information on it. It also allows them to pin their findings on a map so others can see what kind of snakes exactly are in the area that they are in. The next project involved working with a local winery, Clower Family Vineyards. The company needed an entire redesign of their wine bottle labels, as well as an update to their existing logo. The client requested the design be kept simple and classic. The white wines used a color palette based on green, and the red wines used a palette based on red grapes. The client asked the designs to be uniform and work together to create a noticeable brand. They also wanted logo on their glasses for an upcoming event. Another event that was local was the interactive exhibit featured at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences. The exhibit required designing the entire user experience and interface. The client requested the logo design, several advertisement pieces, the design of the interface, and an interactive bracelet to be used to experience the exhibit, as well as souvenirs and apparel, which were available to purchase at the end of the exhibit. The next project is a graphic standard manual. It was created for a company that wanted to provide guidelines for proper use of their logo and outline the essential elements of their brand's identity. Using the company's logo, the 18-page manual features letterhead standards, business card standards, proper use of logo applications, apparel standards, and standards on any kind of collateral pieces that were created to endorse the company, such as mugs, water bottles, and flash drives. My last campaign is a book cover that was created for a new science fiction book about a portal to the other side of existence. I used many different photos that I combined to get the look of the cover to be dark and mysterious, but also to give a little preview as to what the book was going to be about. In addition to the book cover, I also created an ebook cover for a marketplace advertisement and a flyer created for a book launch party. Thank you all for enjoying my Petcha Kucha presentation of my portfolio.